I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, internal audio only. It's a windy day, and I figure I might as well just shoot. I'm watching the clouds, low profile, flying by. You can see them in the distance as they drift on by. So I'm on, YouTube and making a 1 second 8K 30 frames per second video. 50 meg loads up at 3 seconds. Already 4K in a matter of 3 minutes. Would you think that 6 minutes would be enough time? 30 minutes? Maybe an hour? So it can go 8K? I don't think it should take 2 weeks to export and process and convert over. I watched it process to 4K. It never showed 8K processing at all. So I'm wondering if my channel is disabled in 8K. If I look back a year ago, I have an 8K video. It doesn't take months. It doesn't take a year to do 8K. It should take a couple of days. I don't hear the beep going. It is what it is, man. Getting the Ace Pro 2 for 8K, I didn't get it for that. But at times, if I want to do 8K video, I got Magic's 2025 that does 8K exports. And I got Wondershare Filmora 14 that also does 8K exports. Is there a special codec when you put it into the editor or directly off of the camera that goes to YouTube that does 8K? I can ask a friend, do me a favor, do the shortest video possible, make it private, screenshot it, send it over to me when it does 8K in a number of hours. Now I hear the beep. I hear the beep in hand's length, arm's length, but I don't hear it when it's 6 feet from me. What gives? I blew in the speaker. I made sure it was cleared and nothing blocked it. Red Robin. Oh yeah, man. That's what's right up ahead. You ever get them to feed out of your hands? I'm most sure you did. And I know the person who has tried. Me, for sure. Or you're just interested in these magic mushrooms. Yeah, when I was down at WDW Disney World and having chicken fingers and French fries, and the Red Robins are just coming all over. And I'm going back, I think about early 2000, man. Yeah, it was like unbelievable. You just sit there, hold the French fry, and they come and eat out of your hands. Scavengers, oh man. Food frenzy, just beware. The birds. I probably got it on video, but I'm not sure. And I remember going back in the Kodak ZI8 days, and I had a power bank, and I just grabbed all those shots and videos, man, hours on end, watching the car show, going on and trying to get on that car ride. And man, every time I was there, it was like a 3-hour wait when it first opened up. Finally, the next time I got there, I was able to get on. The lines had, cleared up, but that was like a year later after the ride. Still popular today. Even going down to WDW Disneyland, I walked around downtown Disney. I didn't get to go on the rides and didn't go into Disneyland, but I was on the premises and I walked it. Oh man, it took me 3 miles to get there, another 3 miles to get back. And I must have did like 10 miles back then. I barely hear the beeps. I guess I'm getting older. But here we are. Look at those clouds, man. A couple of birds flying over there in the thermo, right where that big puffy cloud is at, and the rest are coming by. I like my helmet. Does a nice job for me. I don't love the strap here. I guess once I could get it right, maybe they could put a snap on it. I don't know. It is what it is, man. Well, it is windy. It is not a beautiful day. I think I'm gonna go back and edit this video and share it to the world like usual. So if you're looking for AK, it may not be the best time today. For me, that is. I'm having troubles. Can't get it to upload. Doesn't bother me a bit. How much do I do AK and share it to the world? Fishing AK? Yeah. I got a big TV set, you can see it. But my laptop is supposed to be 4K playable, which it is, so I'm most sure it's 8K playable as well. And when I look at the stuff on my laptop, FHD baby with HDR. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. I'm gonna let this play out. Enjoy. About 5 minutes. I got my time lapse, and you can see what a couple of seconds looks like at 0.5 seconds or a second going by. And yeah, it's just like I'm gonna fight the wind to get back, blowing against me. I thought it'd be a good shot watching a cloud formation. Like I said before, I'm gonna watch the sky. I'm fighting this wind. I'm in a low gear pedaling. Wow, this wind is kicking. I'm gonna be putting you away, fighting this wind for another day. Time for me to get on going, go do some editing, go meet up with Joe again. I'm Fish. I'll see you on another video.